Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if there was an error fetching the data on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In the problems like this, you just simply have to check your internet connection at first. If your internet connection is alright, then the second option here is to open your settings application and into there go to app settings, and after going into the app settings you just simply have to find out the Facebook into here, and after find out the Facebook just simply click to this force stop button and force stop your Facebook, and after forcing stop remove your Facebook application from the recents, and after that open the Facebook application again. Then after doing this your problem might get fixed. And if it still doesn't work, you should try uninstalling your Facebook account and reinstalling the Facebook again. Then this problem might get solved properly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.